If you're seeing this message on May 11, this is your love reading. Spirit guides were telling me to send this message to you. At ito ang gustong sabihin sa'yo na magabay mo. Usually, my readings takes from 3 to 6 months. So, if this reading resonates with you, you can go back and check this reading again. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can just leave the reading because it belongs to someone else. And what I'm channeling here is a collective energy for all the people who's watching this video. I want you to think of your person as you watch this video. So you can get the collective energy for all the people who's watching this video.